So I'm going to show you how I generated $59,000 with a brand new Instagram account, and I didn't use any paid ads for this, right? And anyone can do this. I'm just going to show you how, okay? So I'm just going to jump on my screen right now just so you can see some proof, okay? This is me selling somebody else's digital product. This is actually a digital software. You can see here 59,000, right? And then combined with some other stuff as well, I generated even more commissions. You can see right here $144,000 for this particular program. It's a digital product as well. And then over here, $121,000, okay? Now, how did I do that? No paid ads, 100% free, and it's a pretty new Instagram account. So let me just show you my Instagram account in a second. And it looks something like this, right? And you can see here that I don't have that many followers, okay? You might be thinking, wow, Aaron, 30,000 followers is quite a lot. But if you compare it to a lot of influencers out there that have 1 million, 5 million, 10 million followers, and they don't even make anything close to what I just showed you, this is what makes the big difference, okay? So I'm going to teach you the secret here today. Make sure you grab a pen and a piece of paper. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm always teaching strategies on how to generate real income with digital products and social media, and a lot of people don't show it this way, right? A lot of people think that you've got to be this massive influencer, you got to, take your clothes off, you got to be sexy, you got to do all this weird stuff to make a lot of money when you really don't. What we're doing instead is we're becoming marketers, and we're using platforms like Instagram, like Facebook, like TikTok to get attention and then siphon people off those platforms and then recommend them products that they want to buy anyway to solve some of the biggest problems that they have, right? So people could be, wanting to lose weight, or maybe they want to get back with their ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend, or maybe they want to learn to build a business, or maybe they want to train their dogs properly. Everyone in their life has problems, right? Now, how can we get in front of these people, right, for that exact problem that they have, give them some value, all right, and then get them a product in their hands to help them to solve that big problem, all right? And we do that by the strategy that I'm going to show you right now, okay? So this is my Instagram channel. This is one of my new channels, actually. I have a bigger channel. It has over 300,000 followers. This is a new channel. I've been growing this one for a few months, so it's not that big yet, okay? 30,000 followers is okay, kind of medium range, right? But I just want to show you that you don't need to have massive channels in order to make a ton of money, right? A lot of these influencers that have millions of followers, they don't make that much money. Some of them even struggle to make $10,000 a month, right? Because we're not making money from brand deals, okay? So this is how this works. You start an Instagram channel. It's very easy. Okay, you just go to Google and say, how do I start an Instagram channel? All right. And what I'm doing is every single day, I'm uploading 1 to 3 pieces of content that talk about a very specific niche. So I'm in the business space. I teach people how to make money online by selling digital products. Okay, so that is my space. You can be in any space you want. You can teach people how to do dog training. You can teach people how to do cooking. You can teach people how to harvest honey from bees, right? Anything, literally anything, whatever your passion is, okay? And then what happens is basically because I'm so consistent, the algorithm is giving me views. You can see my views aren't even super high right now, right? You got 5,000 views, 3,000 views, 4,000 views. Some of the videos didn't really hit. So, 900 views right here, 900 views, 800 views, 3,000 views. Some of them did better. Okay, some of the ones that where I'm really dialing it in, they've done like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 views. Like this one did 13,000 views, right? This one did 13,000 views. But, nothing phenomenal, right? It's not like I'm generating like millions and millions of views. Some of them did, hundreds of thousands of views. Like this one, not bad, 62,000 views right there, right? So we obviously want to replicate and double down on the videos that are doing really, really well, okay? And that's kind of the strategy. This one here, 36,000 views. I had another video that's similar to this that did about 200,000 views, right? Now, the more views that we get, the more leads we can generate, okay? So it's not about making money from the views per se, but we want to have as many views and that consistency as possible so that people can go and click on your link, all right? So we want people to come and click on the link right here. This link will lead to something called a capture page because we want to capture people's information, right? So a capture page might look something like this, okay? This is a test example just to show you, right? Someone will land here if they want more information about my niche, and this is why this is kind of like a make money style of headline, right? they can click right here, they'll enter their email address, and then they get more information. All right. Now, here is the big secret. It's not just about getting in front of people using social media like Instagram. I mean, you can do the same thing on TikTok, on Facebook, on Snapchat, which I do, right? On Pinterest, on LinkedIn. You can do exactly the same thing. What we're trying to do is we're trying to get attention from people and then send them through a sales process, right? So the sales process looks kind of like this, okay? So we got the headline, we get them, which this is something that they want, because in my space, people want to learn to make money, okay? In the dog training space, people might want to learn to stop their dog from peeing on the carpet or stop their dog from biting their shoes up, right? They want an obedient, well-trained dog, okay? So if you're in the dog space and you're selling a dog training program, and I'll show you that in a second, your headline will be completely different, right? But because we're talking about make money right now, I'm teaching people how to build businesses online. This is why this kind of headline is very attractive to that kind of audience, okay? Just so that you know the difference, all right? So they click on here, the masterclass, they enter their email address, and then they get led to not the sales page, which is what a lot of people will do, right? A lot of people will send people straight to a sales page. And here's the thing about people. People love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. Let me repeat that again. People love to buy things, but they hate to be sold to. So if you keep trying to sell them over and over and over again, they're not going to buy, okay? So what we want to do is we want to do the complete opposite. We want to be super cool, okay? We want to stand out from the competition. So how do you do that? Well, you teach them. You train them, you add value, you entertain them before ever asking them to buy anything. So this is an example. You can see right here, it says example value page right there, right? And I created this as a mock-up just to show you that this is all that it takes to basically build trust with somebody, right? You've got a headline on the top. Okay, you've got a video. This video is 13 minutes long, and then you've got a button that they can click on, and this is where you would sell your program, right? Now, here's the big difference with a lot of other people. When people teach you how to sell digital products online, they will say, send them to a sales page. So this page usually is a sales page. Now, if you watch this video right now, this 13-minute video, I don't sell anything. All I'm doing is I'm literally explaining to my specific audience exactly how to solve their problem, all right? So if you're selling a dog training program, I will I'll teach them exactly why their dog is peeing on the carpet, why they're being naughty, why they're dragging them when they're walking, and why they keep biting their shoes up. And then I'm going to teach them the strategy on how to train them properly so that they'll stop doing that, okay? So in this video, as an example, I'm teaching people exactly how to make money online with digital products, and I break down what I call my six-figure conversion formula, my six-figure conversion model, all right? And so they watch it and they understand, and now they're like, aha, they're having these aha moments. And not only that, they're not only learning, but they're getting to know, like, and trust me better because I'm not selling them anything yet, right? I'm literally giving them value. I'm teaching them how to solve their problem. Now, if they're ready to buy, they can come and click down here, and this would be the digital product that I'm selling. And it can be any digital product, right? And there's so many that you can pick, which I'm going to show you in a second. But this is called the indirect selling method, okay? So we're not selling directly. We're selling indirectly to build trust and get people to feel better about, finally buying something from us because they know that this person right here, Aaron Chen, or whoever it is, Bob, May, Sally, whoever it is, can be trusted and they can help me to solve my biggest problem, okay? Now, where do you find the product to sell? Well, all you need to do is just go to Google, right, and type out something like top digital networks, and you can see that Gemini has said, these are the best digital affiliate networks depending on your niche, okay? So there's a lot of different things that you can sell with digital. Anything that is digital that's downloadable from the internet is considered a digital product, right? So you can sell software. So some of the income shots that I showed you earlier were softwares that I sold, right? You can also sell courses. You can sell ebooks. You can sell high commission products, right? You can go for a mix of global brands and digital downloads, okay? So there's a lot of different networks that you can sell from. There's PartnerStack, there's ClickBank, there's Awin, right? There's Avantgate, there's Impact, there's Share a Sale, right? There's also JVZoo, Warrior Plus, OfferLab, okay, Digistore 24. It's endless. There are so many networks out there where creators like myself and other creators as well, they've got some sort of product in any niche that you can think of, any industry, any topic. They've got a product and they allow normal people like you and me to go and resell them. You're basically becoming like a referrer. You're a middle person, that's all. So the only thing that you have to get really good at in this particular game is this right here, is getting attention, okay? This is kind of like advertising. It's free advertising. If we can get in front of as many people as possible, that's how you make the commissions that I showed you earlier, okay? So you have to understand something. You don't need to be a massive influencer to make a lot of money. You don't need to be doing this for 10 years and build up a channel of 5 million people before you make your first $10,000. It's not like that at all right? All it is understanding the strategy behind how this works, making sure you sell a good digital product, right? And understanding that we're not making money directly from the social media platform. Like, I don't make a cent from Instagram. Instagram doesn't pay me for uploading videos, right? We're not trying to do that. Neither does Facebook. Neither does TikTok, okay? All we're doing is we're using it to get attention. We're using this for free advertising, right? Because when you upload a video onto Instagram, it's free. You don't have to pay a cent for it. But you do have to understand how that platform works. You need to be consistent and you need to model videos that are doing well so that you can also get a lot of views, okay? Once you get the views, you get people clicking on your links, then they go through your sales process right here, and then they buy the digital product that you're selling, okay? And this is exactly how I was able to generate commissions like this, and commissions like this, okay? Now, if you want to learn exactly how to build this out, how to actually, get onto, channels like Instagram. How do you build out your Instagram? How do you build out your TikTok? How do you build out your Facebook? How do you drive traffic? How do you upload these videos, right? How do you build out the sales process, the capture pages, the value pages that I showed you just now? This video isn't long enough, unfortunately, to show you the nitty-gritty detail, but I've got a masterclass that's free that will show you exactly how to do that. So if you want to check that out, all you need to do is just click the link in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Make sure you subscribe so that you can always learn how to generate more income using the power of the internet. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.